All right, today I'm going to teach you how to use the word what. What in Thai is Arai. Arai, right here. What? Arai. Here we go. First one, Tham Arai. Tham Arai means, what are you doing? What the heck are you doing? Or you're just curious, someone just sitting there doing something. You're kind of curious. You're like, Tham Arai. If you can't say Arai, roll on the tongue, then you just drop the R. Just replace it with an L, Alai. I think most of the Thais are just using Alai, not Arai, unless you're like a TV reporter or a voice announcer. Anyway, most of the Thais are just gonna use Alai with an L. But the correct way is Arai. But in real life, you can just say Alai. Okay? Tham Arai or Tham Alai. You see someone's doing something. You have no idea what he's doing. So you say Tham Arai. Tham Arai means, what are you doing? All right, next one. If you're curious about something, just say you have never seen it before. Some kind of fruit, some kind of artwork. Just say a modern art, or I don't know, pottery, right? You can say, Ni ku arai, means, what is this? Ni ku arai. Regular speed would be, Ni ku arai, or Ni ku alai. That means, what is this? Nan ku arai. Nan ku arai. Means, what's over there? I see something over there. What is it? Nan ku arai. Nan means over there, like way over there. Okay? Nan ku arai. Like you see a ghost. Nan ku arai. You seen that video when that lady on an airplane and she was like, that mofo is not real, right? Yeah. Nan ku arai. If she can speak Thai, she'd be like, Nan ku arai. All right? Gin arai means, what are you eating? Gin arai. What are you eating over there? What are you eating? You're just curious. You're in Thailand and you're going to see a lot of strange food out there. So it's okay to ask. Gin arai. You can use that when you ask a friend, like, what do you want to eat? You're at the restaurant. Gin arai means, what do you want to eat? They might ask you back, like, what do you want to eat? And then it goes on back and forth for like half an hour. Then you end up having a fight. Okay? Gin arai. I don't know. Gin arai. Yeah, that's always fun. Anyway. Okay, next one is Doom arai. Means, what are you drinking? Doom arai. You see someone drinking something. What kind of cocktail is that? Doom arai. Or you can ask them, Doom arai. Okay, I can order for you. Or if you order something, I can order the same thing. I have no idea. Doom arai. You got so drunk, you have no idea what day it is. One arai. One arai means, what day is it? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday, holiday. One arai. Or you can ask them, when you guys want to meet. Oh yeah, let's meet on such and such day. Or you can say, one arai. And what month is it? Duan arai. Duan arai means, what month is it? Duan arai. Are you asking for a birthday? What's your birthday? Duan arai. Maybe you just try to, calculate your zodiac sign. I don't know, one of those guys. Okay, and Pi arai means, what year? Pi arai. What year is it? Maybe you have an Alzheimer. I don't know. You're forgetful. Pi arai. Or you travel back in time. Travel forward in time. Pi arai. Okay? Driving DeLoreans, right? So, Pi arai. Okay, and you see something strange. You have no idea, like some kind of creature, monster, or some kind of animal you've never seen before. We call that Tua arai. Tua arai. Okay? Don't use it to point at someone and say Tua arai. If you see someone dressing strange, you don't go around and say Tua arai. You might get popped in the face or something. Okay? So, ตัวอะไร only used for if you see an animal, a creature, or some kind of weird or some kind of cartoon character or whatever. ตัวอะไร or someone dressed up in a costume that you can't see their face. All right, like a Comic-Con or some kind of anime festival. I don't know, one of those, right? If you point out a regular person and say ตัวอะไร they might be like, you say, what are you saying? All right, next one. เป็นอะไร เป็นอะไร you show the sign of concern. You're concerned. What's going on? เป็นอะไร you see someone's crying. Okay, เป็นอะไร that's two ways to use it. No, there's several ways. It depends on how you use it, right? Is you can use it when you're concerned about something. You're concerned about someone. They're crying. You go เป็นอะไร Okay, you worry. But just say they're acting out of control and you have no idea. You go เป็นอะไร like, what's wrong with you? เป็นอะไร Okay, it depends on how you want to use it. Okay, next. มีอะไร มีอะไร it can means many things too. The first one is what happened. You know, you see someone is like worrisome, right? And you go up there and say มีอะไร means are you okay? You have something to tell me. You know, I can help you. มีอะไร or you see someone holding a box or a bag and you want to see what's inside. You just wonder. It's just one of those curiosity. You know, you're like a cat. What's in a bag? มีอะไร มีอะไร or the cops, you know, pulling you over and say, hey, sir, ma'am, what's in the bag? มีอะไร They can ask that. Okay? This one is weird, man. คนอะไร คนอะไร คนactually means person. What kind of person? What kind of person are you? You know, acting all strange. คนอะไร You know, acting out of control. คนอะไร Okay? You can use it if you want, but I don't really use it. It's just kind of funny. Oh, whatever, dude. Yeah, คนอะไร Okay, next one. ใส่อะไร 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 means what are you wearing? What are you wearing? You know, you're wearing something funny. What you wearing? ใส่อะไร or you can ask them, what should I wear to the party? ใส่อะไร You know, it depends on how you want to use it, but it have something to do with clothing. You can use that towards just I don't know, baking or cooking or whatever, right? You learn how to cook. Let's put some herbs in it. And you go, I don't know which one. It's like thousands of them. ใส่อะไร สีอะไร สีอะไร means what color? What color are you wearing? What color is your car? สีอะไร Just say at the market, you go, this one is this color, this one is that color. You can't pick for yourself, even though you're the one who's wearing it. You want other people to pick for you. That's what mommy does. สีอะไร สีอะไร Just pick one for me. I can't pick it for myself. สีอะไร All right? Okay, next one. กลิ่นอะไร กลิ่น means smell. What smell is that? กลิ่นอะไร You're just sitting there, you smell something. You smell something bad. กลิ่นอะไร Or you smell something good. กลิ่นอะไร เสียงอะไร 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 What noise is that? There's a noise coming from somewhere. Or a sound. Or some kind of sirens. Or whatever. Or someone screaming. เสียงอะไร พูดอะไร พูดอะไร means what are you saying? You know, did you say something? What do you mean by saying that? พูดอะไร means what are you saying? พูดอะไร Okay, this one is คุยอะไร คุยอะไร means what are you guys talking about? You're just nosy. You're just walking by and they're like gossiping, right? And you're looking at them and say คุยอะไร It's like, you know, you're all nervous that they're gonna talk about you, you know? คุยอะไร คุยอะไร Or, for example, someone say, hey, let's talk because we have something to discuss. All right, and they're sitting across from you. And you can ask them, คุยอะไร when you want to talk about. That's kind of serious. คุยอะไร บ่นอะไร บ่นอะไร means what are you complaining? What do you keep complaining about? บ่นอะไร You can talk to yourself. Like, you've been complaining about things all day. บ่นอะไร มองอะไร มองอะไร This one is very important. Use it the right way. If you say it the wrong way, you can create an argument, a fist fight, or even causing your life. มองอะไร Try your hardest not to say this to anyone in Thailand. Seriously, I mean, if you're going to say that to someone, be prepared for a fight. มองอะไร means what you looking at. What the hell are you looking at? มองอะไร Don't say that to ladies. Don't say that to guys. Don't say that to the girls. Don't say that to anyone. มองอะไร Very dangerous. But you can say it to your friend if they're looking at something else. So just say you're standing there next to your friend and your friend's looking at something. You can ask them, มองอะไร But do not say this to a stranger. มองอะไร That's a starting of an argument. Use it right. Very important. Be very careful with that one. ดูอะไร means what you watching. ดูอะไร someone's like watching something on the phone and you kind of sneak up on them and say, hey, ดูอะไร Are you watching one of those video clips again? ดูอะไร means what are you watching? ดูอะไร Or they're watching some kind of program on TV, right? ดูอะไร Nonsense. รออะไร รออะไร means what are you waiting for? Who are you waiting for? Okay? Someone's standing there waiting for some, or someone sitting there waiting for you. รออะไร means what are you waiting for? Who are you waiting for? If someone doing something not fast enough at a traffic light, right? The driver just sitting there, the light just turned green, but they're just sitting there not driving. And you go, รออะไร means what are you waiting for? Come on, man, it's not going to get any greener. Next one, you can use this one too a lot. ชื่ออะไร means what's your name? ชื่ออะไร Okay? ชื่ออะไร Okay, next. ถืออะไร ถืออะไร means what you carrying in your hand, in that bag. Next one is เอาอะไร 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 What do you want? Someone's annoying, just showed up at your doorstep. Just keep ringing the doorbell. And you open the door, you go, เอาอะไร means, what do you want? Or at the market, you with your friend, guys' friends, lady friends, whoever friends, right? It's like, they're just standing there. They can't pick. They can't decide. You're like, okay, I'm ready to go. So what do you want to buy? เอาอะไร เอาอะไร means which one do you want? Take something. I'm bored. Okay. Well, that's all right, well, I'll give you another one. ฟังอะไร mean what are you listening to? ฟังอะไร It's like this right here. They had a earpod, an iPod. I don't know what they call it. One of them pod, right? Earbuds. Yeah, earbuds. I'm just too old for this, man. Earbuds, right? ฟังอะไร What are you listening to? Are you listening to some kind of cool music? And they're just gonna tell you I'm not listening to anything. So I'm just blocking you out. Anyway, that's a whole bunch of ways how to use the word Arai. Means what? Go back, watch it, remember it, write it down, practice it, or whatever you want to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Bodo, and this is Bodo Thai. And if you have some kind of question, request, or whatever, leave it down in the comment, and I'll get back to you. Peace.